Hello guys, this is Ethan from JingleMining. Today I'm taking you to our JingleMiner Bitcoin solo miner rig factory in Shanghai, a nationally leading factory specializing in professional mining rig production. We're going to witness the entire process of JingleMiner Bitcoin solo miner. First, anyone entering the factory must wear protective clothing and pass through a smart air blowing room to remove dust. This ensures no outside dirt gets in, so every machine delivered to customers is brand new and high quality. A clean environment is the most important thing for any factory. Next, let's walk through the production process. First, we need to assemble a qualified circuit board. Step 1 involves installing all the necessary components from the smallest to the largest, such as resistors and chips, onto the board. Then, at a specialized workstation, a professional technician will conduct an initial round of basic testing. If any issues are detected, the board will be immediately sent back for rework. After the board's pass is sent here for the next step, our workers carefully assemble the parts that machines cannot do. And you can see every worker is very professional to prevent any errors. And next, the assembled circuit boards are sent into this machine for a conformal coating process. And this special spray protects the board from moisture and prevents short circuits. And if you shine a light there, you can clearly see the difference. Let me show you. So you see, if I light it up, you see there's difference. There's the one who has the coating, and this two doesn't. And also on the front. All right, and so far right now, this is a fully assembled circuit board of JingleMiner Bitcoin Solo Miner, and it has all the essential components like the chips, protective coating, and it already passed the basic quality checks. But later on, we will need to do more and fully check of the whole unit. And next, our skilled workers assemble the remaining parts, including the cooling fans, outer case, and the display screen. And after that, each unit undergoes a simple power on test here to verify its computing performance and basic functions. And after that, when we have enough machines ready, they all go through a 24-hour marathon test. They are connected to the mining pool to check if their average hash rate meets the standard. And we also make sure every function works perfectly. And this way, every JingleMiner Bitcoin solo miner that reaches our customers will be absolutely flawless. And now let's take a look at our storage warehouse. It's kept at a consistent temperature and humidity 24/7 to protect sensitive components. And everything is organized systematically. And you can see specialized storage like climate control cabinets and anti-static containers. This is how we ensure every part stays in perfect condition before assembly.
And that's all for the video today, and we've shown you around our factory and how we build our miners. But trust us, the real process is even more detailed and precise. And if you're curious about Bitcoin, crypto or mining hardware, feel free to follow our channel. And if you're interested in JingleMiner Bitcoin Solo Miner, feel free to check out our official website jinglemining.com. We are a leading global supplier of crypto mining hardwares and related services. You can trust us with confidence. And I'm Ethan. I'll see you next time.